Hello everyone, it's me Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials and Illustrator tutorials, and today I'll show you how to make the signature logo for the photo house or photography. So I made this one at first in Illustrator and then mock it up in PSD. So I just made the mockup like this. I'll provide you the mockup and the font download link in my video description. At first we have to install the font. We just downloaded the font from here from the dafont.com. Here is the download option. Just press over there. It will just take few minutes or few seconds or few moments, and then you can save this one. After saving this in your directory, here in the show in folder, going to the zip file, double click in the zip file, you will get the folder over there. Here is the extension TTF and OTF. So one of the thing is you can use, if you're the Windows user, I will suggest you to OTF, and if you're the Mac user, I will suggest you to TTF. At first, right press and open in the font book, or you can double press this one by like that and install the fonts, and it will take few minutes or few moments and it will be installed in your computer. And you can use all the apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe apps, and the Microsoft Office as well. So after that, we'll go to the file and taking new options and taking an artboard which is 2000 pixel and 2000 pixel, and make this one RGB or CMYK. So CMYK for the printing purpose, if you want to print it out in your t-shirt, like a brochure and the visiting card, I'll suggest you to make this one CMYK. Otherwise you can take the RGB, and here I made this one RGB just because of I want to make this one in like a digital media. Hit the create button, you'll get the new blank layer. You have to remember that font name, that is the silently free. So I'm copying this one. It will help me out to find the font at first. So going to the text tool and select once, the dummy text will appear. Make this one bigger, and here change the font types like here. Okay, that's fine. Making this one bigger. Okay, the name of our photo house was the Shutter Point, and now I'll write in here Shutter Point. So I'll make this one small and it will make sense to like that. So here our writing is done, and now the underline like this. So how to make this one? Here is the T. If we analyze the letter like T, and I'm making the same font size. Okay, here you're getting the things which is like really good, and the curve and the ink point where the ends over there, and we'll cut down and make this one underline as like that, and select this font, only this one, and create outline this one. And after that, go to the pen tool, P for the pen tool, and select here anchor point, and here is another anchor point. So make this one according to like this. Okay, that's fine. Make this one like reverse, that means the stroke. Go to the move tool and select two things, actually select line and that things. Shift M from the keyboard, that is the shape builders tool, and omit all the steps. So after that, here the upper portion will cut it out. Press Ctrl or Command Y. It will help you out to get the line from here, that is the outline mode. P from the keyboard and select here and select here, and return button and move tool, select two things. Shift M for the shape builders tool, press Alt option button and delete that portion. So here we are getting like this. Okay, our font, this one will make this one create outline just because of we want to make the proper alignment. When you're making this one, the outline, that is no longer font now, and place it over here, make it a little bit curvy. Okay, that's fine. And now we'll write down the photo house upper side. So go to the text tool again and take the normal font like exo type font. I'll provide you the font download link in my video description. So making this one minimal, like 60 or 36%, and writing the photo house. Okay, photo and house, give the separation. And here go to the character options. Here the option which is the gap between two letters. I'm giving this one 1200. Okay, that's fine. And right press and making it create outline. Okay, and place it over here and make this one a little bit smaller, starting from the E and ends in a N. So our font is ready. Select all the stuffs, making it group, make the alignment to the artboard in the middle. And now giving an artboard or the background color, make this one into the down layer and press Ctrl or Command Y. Select this one only and make it white color, and your logo is ready. Now time to set it up and time to save as a PNG and in future use, just because of you, if you want to use this one in your photography you can. And I want to make this one two version, the white version and the black version. So this one, and making the artboard copy by using like this and making the background white. In that case I will make it black. Two version we are getting when we have the white or the light background, we'll use the black one, and the darker version or darker background will use the white one. And saving this up like a logo signature. Okay, and already I just got the name and hit the OK button. Now we can save this one into PNG format. So select at first, right press and export the selection, and here is the PNG portion. Export the asset. Here export the asset, the black one already exported, and white one select only the logo and go to the export selection and export the asset. So two things, that means the white and black, we got it. Now the question is how we'll use this one in our photography. Here the mockup, I'll show you how to mock it up. At first, suppose this one is your photography, you want to make the logo or put the logo here. Go to the file and place embedded options. From here we just output got this one. Okay, make this one smaller and place over here. If you need, you can adjust the opacity a little bit down and you can save your photography in your directory. Okay, and now the mockup. So we have a mockup here. The mockup is like that. Turn off this one, turn on all the stuffs like this. So here the placement, the screen here is smart object, double press over there, and here the place your logo. Here turn off this one, and from this portion take the black one, it will help you out to the position where you are placing, and hit OK and press Ctrl T, reposition this one, make this one like that, and press Ctrl or Command S. It will save in this portion, and you can make this one a little bit bigger and save again. Okay, and then save this window, and it will save in this portion. If you want, you can use or add some lights or other things, which is a dynamic way to use that. If you want, actually lots of colors and options. I think this one is good and perfect for like output. So make this one as a output, like go to the save as options, make this one JPEG and save it out and hit the OK button. So hope that you will learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And if you want to get the download link of other stuffs like the font and the mockup, please check out my video description. Until the next video, I'm A7 signing out. Stay safe, stay at home, keep me in your prayers as well. Bye bye.